Lá nasceu põe estrela que cata brilhar, cria na mar põe areia que cata molhar.
They said, who are you? And started laughing, I ain't embarrassed. I'm a fucking bad bitch, diamond in the rough to Mr. Diamond's always dancing. You can check my status, them people tryna take a photo. Riding solo, bitches, loco, niggas, ho. Hello talking is a no-no. I be dolo, niggas, so-so, I'm on go. 2017, I told the teacher who is hot as me. 1 year later, now I got a teacher tryna topple me. That's your favorite rapper, why the hell is he a mockery? You said we compatible, I see you like mythology. Bitch, I'm too expensive, this ain't normal, what is dick mahogany? I'm a prophecy, I'm kicking shit a solo soccer team. Where is Billie Jean? I'm tryna see if she can rock with me. If you blind, I give you semen, you can taste my colony. And I'm too official, if you speak to me, address me properly. My small biography enough to cure your curiosity. I don't need your help and I don't care about apologies. I drop a song and make enough to buy a couple properties. Yeah, I spit that money, yeah, I get that. I don't like to chit chat, I like making big racks. Little nigga, Big Mac, you can have your bitch back. Couple months ago when I was stressing, I remember. They said, who are you? And started laughing, I ain't embarrassed. I'm a fucking bad bitch, diamond in the rough to Mr. Diamond's always dancing. You can check my status, them people tryna take a photo. Riding solo, bitches, loco, niggas, ho. Hello talking is a no-no. I be dolo, niggas, so-so, I'm on go. Yeah, I up the price so I ain't tripping off the overload. I'm a walking domino, you push me, I knock over yours. Put me on your bracket, I'm the type to make a couple O's. I ain't artificial like these niggas, I ain't one of those. And I ain't letting off these niggas' necks, I put that on the road.